Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Just gonna go over the inner rocker that we're doing on the driver's side of this lovely Ford Fusion. She's been a bit of a pain. We did the passenger side, now we're finishing off the driver's side. Just give a little overview of what's happening here. So again, the inner structure, got the light on, I gotta leave it on for a sec. The inner structure was gone. We gotta get that all solid up before we can even think of doing the outer. But we did get the inner done. So we got most of the inner done here, as you can see. And that just gives us some structure to work with. And then of course, you can see the inner rocker here. So this is, we got all that replaced. There was nothing there, right? So we got that done. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then of course the outer is gone, but we're worrying about the inner structure first. So, and then of course there's the other side. So we got to create this, strengthen this up, make it solid. We use heavier metal than actually what the factory is. And then let's go a little further underneath and we'll just see how bad this thing looks. Oh, sorry guys with the light. So now you can see here, again from the outer, but the inner is solid. All that's all new. And then now we got to create this new piece all along and through here and get that all fixed up, right? So that's a little bit of a more of a problem just because the position of it. It's really not that hard, but of course just getting the shaping, the fabricating of the piece. And then once that's done, then we could easily work on the outer, which is a lot simpler. But anyways, that's where we're at. So just giving the quick overview of the inner rocker. We'll finish that inner rocker off, and then from there we'll start working on the outer. Oh, sorry with this stupid light. So that's it. One last shot. Again, without the inner being done, you can't really mount anything to as. I'll open the door here. So you can see we're gonna have to create right from down from here, and then of course that's all going to be over top. But with the inner being gone and then the wheel well, that's a problem, right? So now that we got this frame part of it, we can add the piece on and then keep the fabrication process going and hopefully get this thing done. So that's it. Hopefully like and subscribe. We'll keep going, keep sharing as much as we can. So the whole thing with this, I just, my suggestion when people are doing this themselves, just take your time with it. It's not a race. You know, hopefully you can do it after hours, which is what I do. It's like 4:30 in the morning right now. So just take your time, piece by piece. And then if you just work at it slowly, it comes together quicker than you think. But anyways, this was a bit of a project, but once it's done, again, you're just saving the whole use of the car. And the car's only got like 200K on it. Really decent car other than this rot, unfortunately. Ford, actually Chrysler, there's a lot of cars when they get, this is a 2010. So when they're older, you know, 15, 16 years old, you're gonna have this, right? So it's gotta be done. You do it right, take your time, and then you got a car. All right. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Ooh-ah. Thanks, guys. Cheers.